Hi, my name is Angel, and I'm going to teach you how to do this with your smartphone on Pixellab. Let's get started. Alright, you're gonna type the text you want to slice. Use slice though. Then the font. You actually have to use a bolder font. So the sliced works better with bolder fonts and not just those tiny ones. Increase the size and setting it in the middle. I don't really like the font, so I have to change it to a better one. Okay, now I get a shape square. I prefer it black, and my text to black. All right, you're gonna rotate the text a bit like the way I just did. Then the square should be on it this way. Exactly. I have to paste it a little so I could see through. You could see that I don't really like the way this S looks like. The E and the S. If I should slice this image this way, it's gonna leave a small cut of the S, so I have to make it go down a bit. Yes, I think this is better. Yes, okay, then I'm gonna get to look for mask. Yes, mask. You're gonna mask off the one in the box away. Yes, you're gonna just, I guess you should be able to do this. Then it's maxing it off, then it's done. Now you're gonna delete the box. Now you can see the image is sliced. Sorry, that's the image, the text is sliced. You duplicate. After duplicating, tap on the first one, then go back to the masking. You can see there's an in, there's out. I want you to press out. Yes, then move the text a bit, not to be equal, like left hand side. Yes, yes, just like this. I like it this way. Yeah, I actually want to change the background. I prefer a red background, and my text should be white. So whatever color you want, you can use. Then you tap on the first one, go to shadow, shadow. Yes, enable. You should set yours to black. Your shadowed color should be black, and a bit of paste. The same with the down, and there you have your sliced text. Yeah, you can use your Pixellab. And if you're not familiar with Pixellab, I think I'll be making the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, comment. It helps a lot. Okay, thank you.